trying to see the best in the person, like, you know what I'm saying? Saying, like, you know, your situation don't define you and stuff. Oh, Daddy!
Wait a minute. Didn't we have this conversation?
Daddy,
Think about it. Way back, didn't we have this conversation about you dealing with that guy that was up in the house arrest and you kept telling me?
This is a different one.
When I was locked up in Clayton County?
No, that's a different one, Daddy. That's a different one, Daddy. He been done. Damn, Daddy, you okay?
No, because you being stupid.
Daddy, oh my God, and he